me back, me belly, me back. Y'all slow down, no you want give me heart attack. Me back, me belly, me back. Y'all slow down, no you want give me heart. Y'all skin up, and it's something and go long bad. Breast, and it's something and go long bad. Y'all skin up, and it's something and go long bad. Breast, and it's something and go long bad. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with, you don't know already, the most. Alright, so today, little bit off of the regular, we're going to talk about today. Today's video is about who is the more dominant species when it comes to sex. That's what we're going to talk about today. Who is the more dominant species when it comes to sex? Because you know, when lovers have lovers talk, and yeah, one of them girls where I say, yo, me I put it on you when I see you, and you have the man that say, yo, my girl, I broke my back in here today, like me, I broke up your so and put it away and all these things. Who is the more dominant when it comes to sex? I want my audience today to like, comment, share, subscribe, all these things. You know why I'm telling you to subscribe all the time? I tell you to subscribe all the time because when you subscribe, you will be notified when these videos upload, as soon as them upload. And if you don't know, we have a little competition going on this week where we're working with Brains and the Beat channel, and we will be mirroring each other, doing the same exact topic. So when you're done, hit the link in this description for this video and go over to Brains and the Beat channel and hear what she has to say to the question that is posed: who is the most dominant sex when it comes to the species, male or female? Here is my theory on it now. SouFLoTV I got top. Alright, so the other day I went up on SouFLoTV, you see, me see a youth that say, him would bend up this girl and broke her up and all these things, and y'all can't take good and all these things. Me I say, I used to think that way too. I used to think that way too when I was younger. I mean, I say younger, I'm talking about 19, 20, them kind of age, they're 21. Me used to think them way they took, right? Until I got older and wiser and realized, say, when you as a man are being intimate with a female, if she want to give you some moans, and and she want to give you some screams, and she want to make some noise for you and them thing that, because she's mentally there with you and she's trying to enjoy the moment and I try to boost your ego at the same time and all these things. Because then realize, say, if I then walk out your soul case and she just stay there, I stroke her remy, or I count the tile in the ceiling, while you walk out your soul case, she knows say no motivation not gonna feel. So you're not going to perform as much as or well as you're supposed to. In other words then, what I'm trying to say is, no man out there, now broke up pum pum. No man. When I was born, I was 13 pounds, 11 ounces. And my mother pushed me out. She never had a C-section, she pushed me out. She reminded me to this day, or me rip up or something when me I come out. 13 pounds, 11 ounces. My grandmother reminded me to this day how one time my mother delivered me them they have to give her something to bite upon and she them give her one sheet. And when she bite the sheet and I tear the sheet so and she shred up the sheet with her teeth. You understand? So if your body is not 13 pounds 11 ounces, right? And 20 something inches long, you not bust up no pussy around here. Yo, so back to the question of today is the most dominant of two sexes when it comes to sex. We're talking about sexual intercourse. No, alright? Yes, a man is physically stronger than a woman, although you have some trump woman out there nowadays where I pick up man and them something there. I don't want a woman that can pick me up and spin me around and spread me leg them and make me know so. I want a woman that feel like a woman, right? So, the most dominant of the sexes in SouFLoTV's opinion, I want you to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'm saying that already. I want you to definitely comment on this one. Here is a little education for my brothers. Now, or for the females them that don't know it. You see the penis, right? One organ. See it? The vagina is like a tunnel. right? Me not say a whole wide like tunnel and these things. I'm saying it is like going inside tubular shape. It's like a tunnel, right? This one organ right here traveling in and out of this tunnel. Yo, you see Uno? Anyway, this organ right here traveling in and out of this tunnel. What happens is when this organ goes through that tunnel and in and out this tunnel, every friggin' time that organ goes in there, if you can imagine walking through a tunnel, right? A close-fitting tunnel at that. Me not talk about the big old tunnel when they are New York, when they are crossed from New York or going to New Jersey, and they're sitting there west. I'm talking about a close-fitting tunnel. So every time you go into this tunnel, if you can imagine going into that tunnel, and every time you're going there, the tunnel is punching. Right? Every time you go in, the tunnel is punching. Every time you go in, the tunnel is punching. I saw the tunnel I do it every time you go in there, right? So every time you stick your head in there, you get the poor penis. The poor penis, in actuality, every time it enters the vagina and you stroke and come back out, or stroke and come back out, every friggin' time you go in there are thousands of muscles in there that are actually just hitting. Bop, 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 bop. Hitting up from every angle. So we ask, who is the more dominant? That is why the man, brother, you see, when you do your thing, and you catch a rhythm, right? Anytime she start giving her vibes are too good, what happens? You have to freeze. Slow stroke and freeze. Because you don't want to lose your juices. You don't want to bust. You understand? Because when you bust more time, you have to take some time to recover. Right? And right now, you're not ready for done yet. You want to show her, say, you're a long distance stuller. And them thing there. So yeah, or at least, not even to show her that you're a long distance stuller, you enjoy yourself with her. And you want to make sure she's pleasured before you finish. Or it does good in there and you want to stay in there, moving and living there. So yeah, take your time with the thing. You don't want to pop off early. But the reason why you're about to pop off is because that thing is abusing your thing. So all the rain where you are and a real back from way down the country and I go a town and a real country and I go a town from way around here. So for those of you that have length and can do them thing there, because some man have a small stroke because they can't do it. Long stroke. Anyway, so the most dominant in SouFLoTV's opinion is the female. What we wanted to do with this video is like, comment, share, and subscribe. We thought about this video, and like I said this week, the topic them, some of them are going to be off, some of them are going to be wild, some of them are going to be controversial, some of them are meant to be thought-provoking, and some of them are meant to be just fun. When you don't take it out of context, I don't want nobody on the channel that disrespect each other. I talk about all these things. You know how the disrespectful people stay already. But Black and Delete game is very strong. So this week we have to big up to Alkaline because I know already say enough people are going to get Black and Delete. The channel continue to grow, so that should tell the haters that you're not stopping anything. When you come on here, make sure you come for comment on the topic at hand. I don't want to hear nothing else but nothing else, alright? And don't forget, hit the link in the description for this video and go over to Brains and the Beat channel. That link in the description will lead you over to Brains and the Beat channel. And when you hit the link in this description, guess what she gonna be talking about? She gonna be talking about the same thing. Which of the two species are the most dominant when it comes to sex? Is it the male or is it the female? SouFLoTV just walked her through his own beliefs of that and gave you a little bit of scientific facts to back that up. So there you go. You do the rest. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the link in the description. I'm out of here, man. Peace.